Hey there, welcome back to Optech Mystic. In today's video, we're going to create a simple but super useful drop-down list in Excel. This trick will make your data entry cleaner and more organized. Let's get started. First, you'll need to have your list of options ready, like fruits or vegetables. Then, select the cell where you want the drop-down. Go to the Data tab at the top, click on Data Validation, and in the window that pops up, choose List under Allow. In the source field, simply type your options, separated by commas, like apple, banana, orange. Hit OK, and just like that, you've got a drop-down list in your Excel cell. Now you can easily select from the options you've created. It's that simple. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick Excel tips. See you in the next video.